Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable TP-Link Tapo smart plug schedules on Tapo app step by step clearly.
Open the Tapo app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your Tapo account. Navigate to the Devices section on the main screen. Find the Tapo smart plug you want to modify.
Tap on the smart plugs icon to enter its settings.
Scroll down to the Schedule option in the Settings menu. Tap on Schedule to view your current schedules. Identify the schedule you wish to disable. Choose the schedule by tapping on it. In the Schedule settings, look for the option to disable or delete. If disabling, toggle the switch to the off position.
If deleting, tap on the delete icon or option. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure changes are saved.
Return to the device settings to verify that the schedule is disabled.
Your smart plug schedule has now been successfully disabled.
Exit the settings and return to the main device's screen.
You can now use your Tapo smart plug without the previous schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.